Welcome to the ultimate luxury experience in Goa. Today I'm taking you aboard the stunning RA11 Super Yacht where we'll explore the elegance, the experience and the breathtaking views of the Goan coastline. If you love the ocean, fine dining and high-end vibes, then this one's just for you. Let's take a quick tour of the Super Yacht. First up, there's the main deck. This is where all the magic happens. You can chill with a drink, enjoy the fresh sea breeze and just soak in these views. And inside we have the luxurious lounge. Just look at the interior. Plush seating, elegant decor and of course air conditioning for those hot Goan days. Now what's a luxury yacht experience without some amazing food and drinks, right? So the onboard chefs serve up fresh seafood, gourmet dishes and handcrafted cocktails. Just look at this. Although I would say the cocktails were like 7 on 10 and of course fairly priced, but I think with this experience they can surely do better. And this is the highlight of the experience, the Goan sunset from the middle of the ocean. The sky, the waves and the vibe, it's simply magical. Imagine sipping on a signature cocktail while the sky turns into a masterpiece. Sounds like a dream, right? And when the night kicks in, the RA11 transforms into a floating club with a private DJ, dazzling lights and an electrifying vibe. The party never stops. I'll leave the link to the super yacht in my description below, so if you want to go and explore, then do check it out. So that is a wrap on our incredible experience on the RA11 Super Yacht. And if you're looking for the ultimate luxury escape in Goa, then this is the right way to do it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome food and travel adventures. See you all super soon. Take care and stay safe.